What other kind of charts you have? You can use area chart, XYZ. Scatter plot is only when you are comparing two different two measures. So sales versus suppose your square feet price, right? So that is something which helps to understand the when we're trying to find correlation between two columns. Let me show an example of that. Okay, so in this one, we have amount of money spent by marketing teams across different cities in the US, across 3 social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And the outcome is how much push those advertisements gave to the sales, how much lift in the sales happened because of this. And we really want to see the effectiveness of the ad campaign. So what we can do is we can compare the amount of so if there is a change or if there's an increase in say the amount spent, there should be a proportionate increase in sales also, or decrease. So are they correlated? If the amount invested is going up, is sales going up? If amount of invested is going up, is sales going down? Is it having the reverse effect? Or if amount of sale of investment spent going up is not impacting sales at all. Let's look at. So I select these two columns, control. I select this one and this one, pressing control, and we insert. And in this case, we can try scatter plot, and we see that there's a very strong trend in the amount being spent on Facebook and the amount of sales of that platform, that product could be something which is liked by maybe Gen Z or people who are spending time on Facebook. It's maybe a social media product or something, social media related, or some sort of a consumer tech consumer facing product, and it is picking up. So investment in Facebook has kind of appears to be working. That's what is the insight, because I can easily draw a trend line here, something like this. So the idea is that I can actually show you. So I can show this and I can draw a line here like this, right? And this line I can kind of align, and this is what a trend is all about. So I can see a trend, and this is a strong one. So this is a high correlation between these two variables is what I am the insight I'm taking away, right? But what if I try to do the same for Instagram? Is it also showing the same behavior? Again, let's try. It's random, not much, right? I don't see a trend. It's all random. In every place it's going up or down. It's a very random trend. What about the third one? Is LinkedIn pushing anything? Again, I go here and click here. Again, it's more or less random. Very weak correlation, random, no change. You keep on investing money, but LinkedIn is not the place to sell that product. So let's not, the idea could be that let's stop or minimize the spending on LinkedIn, as it is not resulting in an outcome. Increase the spending in Facebook, Instagram also. Do not spend much time. That's a scatter plot.